Take out the thread in the reverse order of threading machine. Put a spool of thread on the spool pin. Wrap the thread around to the right of the bobbin winder tension disc. Wind the thread clockwise around the bobbin several times and put the bobbin onto the bobbin pin winder pin and push it to the left towards the bobbin winder stop. Turn on the speed switch to start winding. Stop winding after the desired amount of thread is wound on the bobbin. Take the bobbin off the spindle and cut the thread.